Good day, everyone. I am Sarah Jane L. Laureta from BSE Filipino 3B. Our discussion was all about social literacy and what and how the proper way of dealing and communicating with people in the society. What is the meaning of social literacy? Social literacy, from the perspective of the social cultural theory, is more than the ability to read and write, and more than mastering literacy skills. Children can learn literacy through social interaction between themselves and children, and or adults in or outside the school. What is the proper way of dealing and communicating with the people on the society? There is no doubt that communication plays a vital role in human life and human society. It is not only helps to facilitate the process of sharing information, ideas, and knowledge with others, but it also helps to people to develop relationships with others. Therefore, the importance of communication cannot be underestimated. In dealing with other people, we use first verbal communication. Verbal communication occurs when we engage in speaking with others. It can be face-to-face or over the telephone. Some verbal engagements are informal, such as chatting with a friend over the coffee or in the office kitchen. Regardless of the type, it is not just about the words. Second is the nonverbal communication. What we do while we speak often says more than the actual words. Nonverbal communication includes facial expressions, posture, eye contact, hand movements, and touch. For example, if you're engaged in a conversation with your boss about your cost-saving idea, it is important to pay attention to both to their words and their nonverbal communication. We have also the what we call written communication. Whether it is an email, a memo, a report, a Facebook post, a tweet, a contract, and etc. All forms of all written communication have the same goal to disseminate information in a clear and concise manner. There are some tips on how to properly communicate depending on the person you are talking or communicating with. Here are some tips in effective communication. First, to maintain etiquette. Many cultures have a specific etiquette around the way they communicate. Second is to avoid slang so that the person you are talking with will understand what you are trying to say. Third is to speak slowly. Fourth was to keep it simple. Fifth, practice active listening. 6. Take turns to talk. 7. Write things down. And lastly is to avoid closed questions. First scenario. Talking with friends through phone call. Second scenario. Face-to-face conversation. Positive social interactions have a wide range of both physical and mental benefits, including increased cognitive ability, good mental health, communication skills, independence, and improved physical health, especially in older people.